Hey guys, we're going to talk about the 5 main things to do to your boat before it gets nice and cold. We're talking about winterization. I'm Nate and this is the Boathouse Lake Country. Guys, for the first step, we're going to stabilize the fuel. We add premium marine fuel stabilizer and run the engine to ensure it circulates through the entire fuel system, preventing corrosion, moisture buildup, and ethanol damage over the winter months. Step number 2, we're going to flush out the engine with antifreeze. After draining the raw water, we run non-toxic marine antifreeze through the engine to protect blocks, manifolds, pumps, and cooling passages from freezing, cracking, and internal corrosion. The third thing that we do is drain and flush all other water systems. Every onboard water system, freshwater tanks, sinks, showers, live wells, ballast systems, and washdowns are fully drained and flushed with marine antifreeze to ensure freeze protection. Fourth step, we're going to disconnect our batteries. We disconnect and secure the batteries, helping prevent electrical issues or power drain during storage and preserving battery life for spring. Guys, for the 5th thing, what we do is we check the systems, check the fluids, and if there's any preventative maintenance, we'll recommend that to you. Before storage, we check key components like engine oil, gear lube, hydraulics, belts, hoses, electronics, and seals. Well guys, that wraps up our winterization here at the Boathouse Lake Country.